Hi everyone, in this video we have another questions. This one must be so much fun. We have multi square root and we need to calculate this. So now we need to simplify from right to left. Okay, so then a equal to 2 plus 2 and then square root of 2 plus 2. Then now we have to simplify this part. So then we need to make it into the form of a plus b raised to square. So then 4 plus 2 square root of 3. So I can write as square root of 3 raised to square plus 2 square root of 3 times with 1 and then plus 1 square. Okay, so that will be in the form of a square plus 2ab and then plus b square, so that we can write it into a plus b raised to square. Okay, so then we got this first, and then a equal to 2 plus 2 square root of 2 plus 2 square root of, so then we can write as square root of 3 plus 1 raised to square. Okay, and then next we can cancel out the square root with the square. Then we will get square root of 2 plus 2 and then square root of 2 plus 2 factor with square root of 3 plus 1. And then we have to expand this number here. Then we will get square root of 2 plus 2 square root of 2 plus 2 square root of 3 and then plus 2. Okay, so then now we have 2 plus 2 square root of, so now this number here, which can be equal to 4 plus 2 and then square root of 3 again. Okay, so then we can write this part 2 plus 2 square root of 3 plus 1 and then raised to square again. Okay, it's just the same as above. And then 2 plus 2 factor with square root of 3 plus with 1. Okay, and then we multiply and we will get 2 plus 2 square root of 3 plus 2 and then equal to 4 plus 2 square root of 3 again. So then we can write as square root of 3 plus 1 raised to square. So then we can simplify as square root of 3 plus 1 is the answer. Okay, so a is equal to square root of 3 plus 1. Now I have solved this question and I hope you can understand. If you have any question, please comment, and thank you so much for watching, and goodbye. See you in the next video.